KTM1290 Super Duke are best naked bikes. Naked bike, fast, agile, relatively comfortable to ride and, frankly, very hot to look at. No wonder this segment of the motorcycle market has quickly gained popularity since the turn of the century. All major motorcycle manufacturers carry naked bikes within their range. So, let's see which one stands out from the crowd and should be considered the best naked bike. What is a naked bike? Technically, any motorcycle without a fairing can be called a naked bike. In fact, what we're talking about when we say a naked bike is a slightly modified sport bike with little or no fairing. The term naked bike comes from the undressing, removing the fairings, of a sport bike. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, racers with fallen bikes and empty wallets began recycling their damaged two-wheelers. The damaged plastic fairing was removed and cheap handlebars that promoted a more upright riding position were installed. The addition of the lights legally allows this bike to take to roads where the battle scars that remain are a badge of honor. These dubbed street fighters early became so popular that the trend moved from DIY garages to manufacturing floors. Ducati was the first manufacturer to produce naked motorcycles. The launch of their 1993 Ducati Monster was greeted with a new era of design. Until then, the frame and engine components of the motorcycle were tucked away in plastic. However, with the opening of Monster's iconic trellis frame, beauty has practically become a top naked bike's secret weapon. Although initially only the appearance of the bike was changed, the factory production of the naked motorcycle also brought a slight change to its performance. In general, bare bike engines will be detuned compared to their sport bike cousins. With lower torque down, it comes at the expense of a few miles at the end of the speedo range. These changes ensure that naked motorcycles are better suited for road and urban riding than traditional superbikes. KTM1290 Super Duke R. Dubbed the Beast by its makers, the KTM1290 Super Duke R will blow your socks off. And we mean this literally. The Super Duke is the largest capacity bike to be included in our best naked bike list. Its 1,301 cubic centimeters roaring heart uniquely holds the beast together and simultaneously increases the stiffness of the machine. The beast sucks in air between its two piercing eyes, headlights, and is equipped with updated electronic rider safety systems which ensure minimum interference with the riding experience. Key specs: engine, 1,301 cubic centimeters, LC8 V-Twin. Power, 177 horsepower. Torque, 140 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Dry weight, 416 pounds. Seat height, 32.9 in. What are naked bikes best for? To answer this question, we should go back and consider what a naked bike is. With their origins firmly rooted in the superbike and sport bike segments of the motorcycle market, naked bikes were initially designed for performance. They are powerful, fast, and incredibly fun to drive. Their perfect weight/power ratio makes handling easy, even for novice cyclists. That's if you don't jump on one of the over 1,000cc machines right away, though, who are we to judge? Naked bikes are perfect for everyday use in the city and for urban commuting, as well as weekends in the hills or canyon carving sessions with friends. The more upright sitting position of these bikes is comfortable in all disciplines. The best naked bikes are relatively light, which makes them easy to maneuver in traffic or in and out of parking lots. So when the weekend comes, just twist the throttle for some serious fun. Naked bikes are fast on the flat and balanced when cornering, making them perfect for short trips and scenic mountain rides.